डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वीडियो में हम 9th क्लास की फ़िज़िक्स के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs करेंगे। तमाम MCQs इंग्लिश मीडियम में हैं। प्यारे बच्चों, ये आपका अपना चैनल है, इसको ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को भी दबा दें। बहुत शुक्रिया। इन सॉलिड्स हीट इज़ ट्रांसफर्ड बाय रेडिएशन, कंडक्शन, convection, absorption. Correct option is B. In solids, heat is transferred by conduction. What happens to the thermal conductivity of a wall if its thickness is doubled, becomes double, remains the same, becomes half, becomes 1/4? Correct option C. Thermal conductivity of a wall becomes half if its thickness is doubled. Which of the following materials has large specific heat? Copper, ice, water, mercury. Correct option is C. Water has large specific heat. Which of the following materials has large value of temperature coefficient of linear expansion? Aluminum, gold, brass, steel. Correct option is A. Aluminum has large value of temperature coefficient of linear expansion. In which of the following state molecules do not leave their position? Solid, liquid, gas, plasma. Correct option A. In solid state, molecules do not leave their position. SI unit of pressure is Pascal, which is equal to 10 power 4 Newton per square meter, 1 Newton per square meter, 10 power 2 Newton per square meter, 10 power 3 Newton per square meter. Correct option is B. Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per square meter. If the velocity of a body becomes double, then its kinetic energy will remain the same, become double, become 4 times, become half. Correct option C. If the velocity of a body becomes double, then its kinetic energy will become 4 times. Earth's gravitational force of attraction vanishes at 6,400 kilometers, infinity 42,300 kilometers, 1,000 kilometers. Correct option is B. Earth's gravitational force of attraction vanishes at infinity. Value of G increases with the increase in mass of body, increase in altitude, decrease in altitude, none of the above. And the correct answer is C. Value of G or gravitational force increases with the decrease in altitude. The number of forces that can be added by head to tail rule are 2, 3, 4, any number. Correct option D. The number of forces that can be added by head to tail rule are any number. The number of perpendicular components of a force are 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct answer B. The number of perpendicular components of a force are 2. Newton's first law of motion is valid only in the absence of force, net force, friction, momentum. Correct option B. Newton's first law of motion is valid only in the absence of net force. Inertia depends upon force, net force, mass, velocity. Correct option is C. Inertia depends upon mass. A body has translatory motion if it moves along a straight line, circle, line without rotation, curved path. Correct option C. A body has translatory motion if it moves along a line without rotation. The motion of a body about its axis is called rotational motion, circular motion, random motion, vibratory motion. Correct option is A. The motion of a body about its axis is called rotational motion. The number of base units in SI is 3, 6, 7, 9. Correct option is C. The number of base units in SI is 7. Which one of the following units is not a derived unit? Pascal, kilogram, Newton, watt. Correct option B. In the following units, kilogram is not a derived unit. The work done in lifting a brick of mass 2 kg through a height of 5 meters above ground will be, we know that work is equal to force into distance. We can also write F is equal to mg and d is equal to height. By putting values of m, g and h. M is 2 kg, g is the gravitational force which on the surface of earth is taken as 10 and height is 5 meters. By multiplying these we get 100 joules. So we will get option D. The work done in lifting a brick of mass 2 kg through a height of 5 meters above ground will be 100 joules.